Here is one of the most beautiful gallbladder sections you'll ever see. The gallbladder is notoriously simple and has the classic appearance of a perfectly well-oriented epithelium of the mucosa, a looser lamina propria between that epithelium, which is sometimes a little bit papillary, and then the main wall of the gallbladder consisting of smooth muscle fibers to enable it to contract the way it likes to contract, and then looser connective tissue of the outside, which is chiefly going to be peritoneum rather than adventitia because it is mostly intraperitoneal. Let's take a quicker look. Let's look at these beautiful, 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 well-oriented, perfectly lined up cells of simple columnar epithelium. Look at the lamina propria in between. Look how the nuclei are arranged nicely at the base. Notice then you are very soon entering the general wall or smooth muscle of the gallbladder. Whether there's a true submucosa or not really doesn't matter, but you do know you have sort of a looser connective tissue between the epithelium, very soon developing into distinct spindly smooth muscle fibers of the wall itself. Then you can see the connective tissue of the serosa. Here's a large vein. Here's a medium or small artery. This looks like a vein to me. This is an artery. This is a nice branch of the artery. Here's a nice vein. Here's some fat and looser connective tissue. That may very well be a little nerve. And also at the edge of the loose connective tissue, you're very likely to see spindly little cells, which I can convince you are mesothelial cells, because we are truly now in the visceral peritoneum or the serosa of the gallbladder. And want to go back in. Serosa, blood vessels of the serosa, muscular wall, lamina propria between the papillary structures of the mucosa, and here is the epithelium of the mucosa itself. And classically, when people want to give an example of a beautiful columnar epithelium, simple columnar, they always use the gallbladder because it always lines up very, very nicely, cell after cell after cell after cell, showing that it's a columnar geometric arrangement with the nucleus at the base. Thank you very much.